We're gonna show you an example of
Cultural relativism
and ethnocentrism.
So, do you know the difference between that all?
I don't know. So basically, cultural relativism is you learning others and respecting others' culture without you judging them.
While yung ethnocentrism ay parang pagbubuli or pagwalang respeto sa others' culture at isip mo na yung culture mo mas mataas sa kanila.
So, ngayon na-inform na kayo yung difference. Maglalaro tayo ng guessing game. So, if na-guess nyo right, perfect! If wrong, aww! Charis! So, let's go! Sa bidyong to, tingin nyo po bang cultural relativism or ethnocentrism ba to?
Ew! No, look at that! What are you eating? It's disgusting!
Now, if you got it right, good job! And if you got it wrong, well, let's try again. Are you guys ready?
Bambo, did you know bambo is a big part in our culture in Japan?
Well, how about that one? Did you got it right? Well, if you did, wow, nice, 2 in a row. And if you didn't, well, let's try again.
Alam mo, mas maganda talaga yung kultura natin kaysa sa ibang mga bansa. Tingnan mo yung product nila, napakapangit ng sulat. Yeah, I would never buy that. Delikado talaga yung kultura ng Japan, di ba? Chopstick pa lang, aangas na eh. Tapos sarap pa ng pagkain nila. Ito mo nila ako sa pinunang kay napakaitin.
Tama ko, kaya sa pinunang
Good job, mga anak! Ngayon na nalaro na natin yung guessing game, tignan natin kung may natutunan talaga kayo. Sasagot nyo lang sa question ko, A or B. Maglalaro tayo ng identification. Magbibigay akong description, tapos sasabihin nyo kung A or B ba to. First, ito ang pagbubuli ng other culture at isip mo, yung kultura mo ay mas mataas sa iba. Wow. So, tama! A. Sunod. Another question. Ito yung tipong iniintindi mo yung ibang kultura at hindi mo ginajudge ang kultura nila. Tama! B. Wow! A+ students talaga kayo. Ngayon, patapos na yung video natin. Sana may natutunan kayo. Goodbye!
What about the other one?
Don't know.
Wala, ano, yung may ka? Tingnan lang mo kasi.
Ew, bro, look at her. What are